Hello, my name is Siska Febriana Sitompul with student ID number 22107-32004, and today I will present my understanding about discourse and functional grammar. So, in discourse and functional grammar, we know there's a term which is systemic functional grammar, and it is usually shortened to be SFL, and it's the branch of linguistics that study about the powerful meaning of the language in the daily basis of human lives. So it explores the meaning and context through a comprehensive text grammar base that describe the abstractness of the function or metafunction of language that usually happens every day we speak or we write, and it is related to the choice of linguistics, that it relates to the context that we choose to in using language in the daily basis. So there are three metafunction in language. The first one is ideational metafunction. The second one is interpersonal metafunction, and the third one is texture metafunction. Ideational metafunction is the clause that is constructed by the language, and that creates some kind of experience, and the resource for this one is the content. The second one is interpersonal metafunction. It is between the relationship of a writer, a listener, or a reader, and the resources in this one is the relationship and the attitude. And the third one is the texture metafunction. It is related to the message prior or following the text or the context. The resources in this metafunction is the role of the language, and all the systematic function linguistics is the tool to explore this kinds of meaning and their interaction in discourse. Like for the example from the sentence, discourse analysis seek patterns in linguistic data, we can say that the discourse analysis is the actor, which is the doer, and the process is the verb seeks, and the patterns in linguistic data is the final product. And what else? The systemic functional linguistics also describe the system of linguistics and the function that they have, and it also revealed that there is social actors that construct the experience and their relationship. The definition of language through the systemic perspective is a network of dynamic and an open system for which the speakers and writers are using it constantly, and they changing, selecting, maintaining the system over time as they use the language. One of the system is the transitivity system, and it offers the range of options for additional meaning through the comprehensive ways, that the way it varies in presenting the experience, like doing, seeing, saying, and being. And the analysis of transitivity is also described in grammatical differences between clause and the actor through the doing process. This is the same with the previous examples that I have been said. While in the discourse analysis, the discourse is the actor and the seek is the process, and the pattern of linguistic data is the final product. There is a the result in this topic is also called a structure. If the speaker choose the creative option, the result it will be different. For example, when the finite version is you have, and if they change to be interrogative one, it will be have you, with the finite followed by subject. By the words itself, finite means countable and infinite means uncountable. Next, I will explain about the examples in meta function. The first one is in ideational meta function. The example is, did you take her calculator just now? Or the you in this additional meta function is the actor, of course, and the take one is the process. Her calculator is the goal, and the just now is the circumstance. Next is the interpersonal meta function. The sentence is the same, which is, did you take her calculator just now? We can divide it into like the did is the finite, and the you is the subject, and take is the predicator, and the her calculator is the complement, and the just now is the adjunct. We can see that the complement in the sentence is the her calculator. It is stated it's a complement instead of object because it's changeable. And the next one is texture meta function. It's just the same with the other meta function. It's, did you take her calculator just now? Well, in this sentence is also just the same with the previous examples. It's just for the matter of like the dividers, if that makes sense. And yeah, next we move to the theme and rhyme. I just used the same what we call it, the sentence, did you take her calculator just now? The theme and rhyme is just can divide it into two. The did you is the theme, and the take her calculator just now is the rhyme, because the theme is the stating point of a sentence, which is the speaker's point when they speak to the listener, and the rhyme is just like the additional information that complete the theme to be a full sentence. To sum up everything that I have mentioned before, like all the constituent are can be replaced by the other. It's just like the actor tend to be the subject, and the subject tend to be the theme. All I can say that can be replaceable by the other constituent, like they can be performed by any kind of constituent according to the context of the sentences that the speakers or the writer want to say to the listeners or the reader. So that's all that I can say in the presentation. Thank you very much.